We're about to have ourselves some dinner. Just gonna make a quick walk. We're in Beacon. As you can see, we've been here before.
It's cold, people. It's cold.
Not really.
What? You can't text a military person that is cold. They will always say it's okay.
It's not one of those days when it's really cold. It's I would say chill. Well, nah, it's cold.
I don't know why he's trying to tell me that it's not cold.
But no, we're gonna have some Thai food. We're gonna share a little secret. When you're in New York or Beacon, definitely check out this spot. This is a little spot that we discovered and we love eating here.
Right.
Not super expensive, but the food is pretty good.
Yeah, it's worth your money.
So our spot is a little G1 kiss.
That's what was a picture.
She always wants.
I'm looking cute, even though I'm putting a little pounds here.
This is the reason why we're putting on little pounds. But our spot tonight is a bit busy, as you can hear the noise in the background. Usually it's a little more secluded and to us, but everybody decided to try Thai food tonight. I mean, the spot is good though.
Trust me, it's the best I've been to. You know what? I've been to others, but in this area, it's the best.
Best Thai food in there.
There's a lot of restaurants here. But the quality and the taste. If you're looking for a real good taste.
Yeah, taste is definitely they're pretty consistent with their flavors. So usually if you come here and get the same thing over and over, you'll notice that the consistency is pretty there.
We see the different types of curry. Jamaica,
words you can't pronounce. I can't pronounce it.
No.
You can pronounce it?
No. Some pan. I don't want to not say the right correct term.
We should have taken. Actually, I'm gonna ask for a menu and then show you guys the menu as well.
The menu, so we can tell it. So
yeah.
My recommendation
Borrow
on the menu is 18.
So this one is Cheryl Special, and I usually go with number 10, Thai yellow curry. Mine is easy. I can't really say this word up. I said that word I got tied up my tongue.
So usually when I'm drinking, I usually go with IPA. She goes with like a Thai tea. And we're gonna jump into and have what do they call it again? What kind of rolls?
Shrimp roll. The shrimp roll.
Shrimp rolls. We're gonna have some shrimp rolls. She already has her tea. I already have my beer, so we're set for start. Our food is gonna be a little bit more bigger than everybody else's because so we crave, So a little secret about Sharon, whenever she vexes all day, all you have to do is find something to feed her with.
Not anything.
Not any and everything, but food is the way to her heart. So go vex after this going about. For now,
wait. The local thing that I will accept, a bun and cheese. But if I watch me with a bun and cheese, then I will forget that. Some always come to a restaurant.
anytime I want to quash the attedness from her, let's find a good restaurant, get her some food, and she said.
Everybody knows me after food, right? But if I work hard, I play hard. And when I say play hard, I do work out. Ask Kenny. I really just do my workout. Am I lying? No, don't tell people like that. I work out every single day, except on a Sunday. You just rested on the Sunday.
No, she work up, man, every single morning. She wake up at least 3 o'clock in the morning, almost every day. And she go downstairs and she do her workout. So yeah, on the weekend we're trying to mix it up a little bit. We try to, get a little bit of fun in. Recently since the schedule change, things a little bit better so we can take up woman. You know what I mean?
I'm looking forward to this as often as I can because I was lacking this.
For over 6 years I haven't been home. Literally, most weekends I'm working. And the schedule has been tough. Things have changed recently. I will still go talk about that in a separate vlog, but for now, I'm going to have a little bit more time, a little bit more flexibility to spend time with my kids. And yours truly. So shall full our belly.
Alright, so this is my dinner. Woo. And this is hers. Again, this is the Thai yellow curry. This is the name I can't say. And right what you see right here is tofu. All this is tofu. Look at that. You wouldn't be able to tell though. I mean, when you bite this, trust me, this thing is delicious. So this is tofu rice. How it tastes?
The food it's just an unexplainable food.
Yeah.
You have to just come, try it yourself, and see.
That's what them people appeal with, promote them like a spot, you know? Because, you know, yeah, we need to start eating free. But look at this.
Penny's having
So how I do it?
Penny's having chicken and I'm having chicken.
I do it like that.
So much sauce. Look at that.
Yeah.
That's a teaser thing.
So we mash up people them food in there now.
Or the food mashed you up.
we never win tonight.
I couldn't eat it all.
Look, we didn't win.
As usual, they know us. When we go, we're like celebrities.
There's a couple spots we'll go actually. People recognize us now. When they see we, they even ask for our kids. Where's the kids?
Right.
But no, that's a good little spot right there. Yeah, a couple times now we've been there, but it's nice. But anyways.
Show them the view with the water.
Oh, so we're in Beacon. I don't know if I could give you guys a quick look at what we're looking at, but maybe a next time.
Oh, you can't turn.
Maybe a next time, or maybe no. If you see it now, you don't know. Anyways, Louis family, we're back.
Woo!
And yeah, we're just gonna end this video real quick. Major shout out to all you guys because you've continually supported us regardless.
Right. We apologize for the long wait, but it's going to work your while for your wait.
Absolutely. Anyways, take care.